choose to become a networker and real professional networker, then you guys need to know that the professional networkers have a different DNA. And that DNA is, as per that DNA, they are not allergic to more money. In fact, in fact, in fact, they get oxygen only from that money. And it's not about, and a professional networker, I think it's a character. You build a character when you become a professional networker who's a go-getter, who don't want to stay behind, who never want to stop. And it's money become a byproduct actually. And it's not about how much more, it's about how much ever more. I mean to say, you know, keep going, keep going, keep going. When there's a potential, why to stop? What to do with that money? Don't know, but that's okay. Because in the process of earning that money, what you become becomes more important than what you get from that money actually, right? Because when I look at my journey, you know, my journey, my other people, leaders' journey and all, there's a huge 360-degree, transformation in personalities. I'm not talking about personality. We all are coming from small towns, from a normal, average, middle-class family. Most of our parents were government employees. And we only saw go to work, come back home happening at home. Every neighbor used to look same because government employees living in government quarters, you have nothing much to aspire for. But what made us, keep going, because earlier there was nothing to look up to. When we came out of that circle, there was so much to look up to, and we want always to look up to a lot of things actually. And thank God we shifted to Dubai, because the size of the dream, you can never feel complacent in Dubai, because no matter how much you earn, no matter what life you live, there are people who will make you feel as if you are 10 times poorer than them. So I am proud, and I'm proud and happy to see that, to say that I'm still poor in Dubai. Because that feeling never let us stop moving forward. And that moving forward is nothing living for us. Because I think, because all the milestones which are achieved, these are milestones, not a destination. Because the day I start feeling that those were destinations, the journey stops, life is over. And we will start deteriorating as a person. Because every time when you run for something, the character which you build, because you go through a lot of challenges, you go through a lot of inner voice, the battle between you and your voice. And when you win over all these things, then what you come as a person become more valuable than that product which you own, the result which you get. So I think I'm more excited about that product, more excited about being more awesome, becoming better and better person actually, right? You know? And that's why exactly we should never stop.